Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can roll back your AMD driver, your GPU driver, into the older version or previous version. So maybe after the latest update your GPU become unstable, become overheat maybe, or become freezing, your game is a bit laggy. It means your GPU is not run normally and become unstable, of course. So you need to go back, revert into the old version or previous version. So the first thing to do, you can download DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller. You can download it for free and you can run it as an administrator. This is the interface. So here you can try to clean and restart. This is the highly recommended. The DDU will restart into the safe mode. You can uninstall the AMD driver from there, but if you switch your GPU, we talk about switch from a NVIDIA to AMD, vice versa, you can use clean and shutdown. And I consider to not use this. Clean and do not restart may cause issues like black screen. So the option is the first one, clean and restart. But don't forget, you need to download first the old drivers. So you can download from the AMD.com, for example, the RX 6600 previous driver. Click based on your operating system and you can find all the old drivers here. See the release date. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.